So we had this genius idea to let our heifers self-feed straight from the haystack. So we went to our local farm store today and we looked at the feeder panels that they have, and they only had one type and it was $480, I think. And we did not feel like investing that much money. So we decided we were going to build our own. So we went to the lumber yard, we bought some 2x4s. We had some lumber left over from the house construction project. So about $30 worth of lumber, a couple dollars worth of nails. We're going to make some sawdust and try to put our own together. We'll see how it is. I'm not a math genius, but I think we're going to have a lot less than $400 to $500 into it.
Alright, what are we doing here?
We're just laying it down.
Oh. We have been feeding out of our big hay pile, but now we're going to switch over to our little hay muffins. Our plan is to open up the wire panels, stick in this self-feeder gate we built, and then the cows are just magically going to feed themselves and everything's going to be perfect, right?
That's the plan, right?
Living the dream.
That's tight. Moment of truth. That's it, that looks pretty good in there.
Nice and green.
Yeah.
Now we just have to figure out how to electrify the fence to go over and around it, and the remaining hay from this pile needs to get over here now. We got the best that we could out of that old haystack. This is the setup with the hay in there. The girls are eagerly anticipating getting in to eat. It's really windy, so I probably can't even talk.
You see her?
The cows are silly right now because there's something new, so they're excited. Everything is set for our cows until the spring. We're leaving their corral where it's at, new bedding, we moved the feeder, and we have the self-feeder out of the haystack all set up. They now have run of all 3 of the original winter paddocks, and they're very happy about it.
Good morning. It is brilliantly sunny out, but 9 degrees below zero. This morning is the first morning where the girls are using their new feeder, fence line feeder for the haystack, and they seem to have taken to it pretty well. They seem to know what they're doing.
Today is daylight savings time, so we gained an extra hour of sun, which makes me very happy because it makes evening chores a lot easier. And we now have our new hay set up. That's working great. Here is the hay gate. The girls are still getting a little bit of alfalfa over there. In the afternoons, they'll sun themselves. They'll just sit out here in front of the hay gate and get sun. And then this is working really nicely. I put a tarp on the top in case we get rain or a little bit more snow. And I just pull hay forward with the hay fork. Love it. Works out great. Here is a side view of our hay muffin that we've turned into a big hay feeder. So you can get a little better idea. Here's the other hay muffin. It is now almost mid-March. I think we're going to do fine with our hay. Hopefully we'll start seeing grass in April, and then we will hay in May and June. Stay tuned and see what happens on the Tomarosa.